go! So planes change of plans. Motel, this one right here is out of power because, well, there's a huge windstorm while we're here, so we're gonna stay here for a little bit. Originally we're gonna stay overnight, but we're just gonna stay for a couple minutes or a couple hours, and then we are heading to Bellis Fair for dinner tonight, and then we're heading back to Vancouver. So, not staying overnight. We got everything packed in the cars. Everyone's ready to go. Just taking a break. And then we are pretty much good to go. So there's really nothing else to do. You can see the wind still blowing the flags around, but it was much worse before. You're being toppled over and everything. It's literally a monsoon, or kind of like a hurricane. It's kind of windy. Yes.有個山度喺呢度，我哋嘅喺上面吹咗落嚟。Where's Amos? Oh, okay. Alright.
Yeah, that tree's broken.
Wait, look at this tree, guys.
Yeah, it fell tree fell.
Let me see again. Look at that.
Oh, that tree fell. Yeah, this one's doing tiny one here.
Not late yet.
Ooh.
This guy right in the US, I think.
I think there was a big tree
I
there.
think a tree fell and have her drive alone.
And there's look over here.
No, there's a tree.
Ah. So some lights are still out though. Are those actually all things that are broken down?
No, it's just wait for mommy.
Look at that low rider.
Yeah, I know.
I think it should be stuck right, and then it's your turn, and then you turn right, and then go. If you're turning left, then
There's someone coming down from the. Oh boy, sir, you have made a mistake. Lady, if you're crossing the street, sir, whoever you're driving, what car is that? Ha, we got ours already. Anything here? Everything's fixed?
Yeah, which power line fell?
Oh wait, no, look here, look here.
Whoa, this tree split.